Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Valorant Vanguard Not Initialize error code 128 on Windows 11. This is a common problem that stops Valorant from launching, and it usually says something like Vanguard Not Initialized error code 128. Don't worry, I will walk you through all the working solutions step by step. First, let's understand what's happening. Vanguard is Valorant's anti-cheat system, and if it's not running correctly, the game refuses to start. The main reasons for this error are disabled services, corrupted files, or conflicts with Windows security or startup settings. Step 1. Restart your PC. Sometimes Vanguard just fails to loop during startup. A simple reboot can reinitialize the service. The error is still there, move on to the next fix. Step 2. Run Valorant as administrator. Right-click the Valorant shortcut and choose Run as administrator. Running both with admin privileges allows Vanguard to load properly without being blocked by Windows security restrictions. Step 3. Make sure Vanguard is installed and running. Press Windows R, type services.msc, and hit Enter. Scroll down the list and look for VGC. That's the Vanguard service. If it's not running, right-click it, choose Properties, set the startup type to automatic, and click Start. Then hit Apply and OK. After that, restart your computer and try launching Valorant again. If the VGC service isn't even there, then Vanguard didn't install correctly. So let's reinstall it completely. Press Windows S, type Add or Remove Programs, and find Riot Vanguard in the list. Click it and choose Uninstall. Once it's removed, restart your PC, then open Valorant, and it will automatically reinstall Vanguard when launching. When it finishes, restart your PC one more time before playing. Step 4. Update your drivers and Windows system. Outdated drivers, especially GPU and chipset drivers, can prevent Vanguard from loading properly. Go to your graphics card's official website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and install the latest drivers. Then go to Settings, Windows Update, and click Check for Updates to make sure your system is up to date. After doing these steps, the Vanguard Not Initiated error 128 should be gone, and Valorant should launch normal again. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more quick Windows and gaming fixes, and comment below which step solved it for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.